Yes, Sir Patrick. Tough game here today. Could have gone either way, but you won the game. Tell me about it.
We know something like this is going to happen. It wasn't going to be a pretty ball playing game. You know, it's going to be very, very intense and rough. So we asked the players, the youngsters, just to prepare and ready for the war. And decide on to get a 1 goal or 2 goal, we defend it with our life. And when you look at all the youngsters, you know, a 13-year-old at the back with a 15-year-old and a 15-year-old in the goal, you know, we really must commend them for the work that they are doing at the back. And I must say kudos to the attacking players, led by Kadeen Young, you know, as a very, very good players. So you have to understand that you have to carry the team on his back. And he done that here today, and we are playing pretty place.
Overall, you satisfied with your team performance?
I would say yes, because the game, when you look at it, Eltham are playing a very, very rough and tough game. Every time we try to pass the ball, you know, it's always a foul. So we expect something like this. So we ask them just continue doing what we are doing. Try to get a few or 2 or 3 or 4 passes. Once they can get that, you know they're going to foul us. So this is the plan today.
Anything you good? All right, coach. Yeah, man.